Hello, I'm Matt Brown, Product Manager with Tempo Communications, and today we're going to talk about optical loss testing with our optical loss test kits. These are the Tempo 9000 series optical light source and optical power meter from our KingFisher division. I can tell this is an optical light source because the buttons are orange, color-coded, and the purple buttons is on the optical power meter. I've got them turned on and my source set to 1310, and I'm connected to my optical power meter as though I were going to reference out my meter and then go take a loss measurement. I have already inspected the ports on the products and the connectors here and cleaned them, which is best practice. So I've got a Sam Charlie PC connected to this port. This is a PC port, not APC, but I'm going to connect into an APC system, so I need a PC to APC jumper. It doesn't matter what kind of connector I put into the optical power meter because I'm not making physical contact with that connector, so it could be PC, APC. Either of these could be switched out for an LC adapter quite easily, or a Sam Tom or a Frank Charlie. We have a number of different adapters that are easily swappable. So you can, if you're not using Sam Charlie, you're using LC, you can simply convert your tester to that connector instead of having hybrid test leads. So I'm connected. I'm going to go over here and press the DBM button, and I have just referenced out my 1310 power level. So now I'm ready to connect to the link I'm going to test. I've got inside the fiber trainer, I've got 500 meters of fiber, a loss event, and then another 500 meters of fiber, just something to test, something to have to run power through and measure. And right away I can see that at 1310 I've got 1.25 dB of loss across this event, and it's the same number I got using another model of this product just a moment ago, so they're pretty consistent. And that's a loss measurement with the 9000 series light source and power meter. And loss is measured in dB, a relative measurement. It's the amount of power that is dropped. We could just consider that you were using just an optical power meter in your work and not the light source because you're on an active system. So in this case, the light source is acting as the OLT or the transmission system for the central office or wherever, and you're out seeing if you can turn up this fiber or troubleshooting it. Do I have power here? Well, you wouldn't want to be in dB mode. You'd want to be in dBm mode, or milliwatts. It went to milliwatts. Now I'm in dBm mode, and that's a true power measurement. So it says that the power I'm seeing out of this link is negative 1.8 dBm of power. If that is sufficient for my system, then I can plug in and turn my stuff up. If it's too low for what I expect, then I can start troubleshooting. I can freeze this measurement by pressing the hold button, and you see the hold starts flashing on the screen, and now I've stopped the live updating of this if I want to just maintain, if I want to keep that on the screen for a period of time. So that was our 9000 series, we call them our pocket class because they fit quite well into your pocket. Running off of AAA batteries with excellent battery life, especially for the power meter, something like 300 hours or so. For technical support, visit us at tempocom.com or call 1-800-642-2155.